Action cameras are little powerhouses perfect for capturing life's adventures. These rugged cameras are built to withstand the elements and boast waterproof capabilities to accompany you on every trip. Whether you want a rugged camera to capture your adventurous activities or a simple pocket camera that can go everywhere with you, you'll find your ideal budget action camera here. No matter how limited your budget is, you'll find the right action camera in our list. If you're on the hunt for ways to keep more cash in your pocket, take a look at the Apexcam Action Camera 4K, 2024's top pick for anyone after an action camera that won't break the bank. The Apexcam delivers outstanding quality with 4K 20MP resolution for crystal clear images, all without making a huge dent in your wallet. It's also built to go nearly anywhere with you, thanks to its water resistance down to 40M, perfect for those who love to explore underwater worlds. Connecting to Wi-Fi, sharing your epic moments to your phone or TV is a breeze, making it simple to edit and post your adventures on social media. This camera doesn't skimp on features either. It packs in time-lapse videos, slow motion capture, and loop recording for all your creative needs. Plus, with a remote control and a wide 170-degree angle lens, capturing the full scope of your experiences is easier than ever. Durability is key with its sturdy build designed to withstand depths of 30 to 40 meters. And it doesn't stop there. You get a treasure trove of accessories including a waterproof case and various mounts, saving you from splurging on extras and making it versatile enough for any activity. The 20MP Sony sensor ensures your shots are vibrant and full of life, ideal for vloggers and social media buffs keen on high-quality visuals. For convenience, it sports a 2-inch LCD touchscreen that's user-friendly, perfect for beginners or young adventurers. While Apexcam offers stunning 1080p quality, it also gives you the flexibility to shoot in 720p. Made for the active and thrifty, this camera is a brilliant choice that proves great tech doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Good stuff! For those on the lookout for a bang-for-your-buck product, let me introduce you to the Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K, the go-to action camera for 2024 that doesn't skimp on quality despite its budget-friendly price. The Akaso EK7000 Pro stands out as an affordable choice offering stunning video and photo capture capabilities. It's decked out with features including 4K 30fps UHD recording, versatile 2.6K 30fps, and smooth 1080p 60fps video options. The Wi-Fi connectivity isn't just for show. It enables easy remote operation and editing, enhancing your ability to share your adventures as they happen. Coupled with a waterproof casing that's good for depths up to 131 feet, the Akaso EK7000 Pro is your trusty companion for any thrilling escapade, from mountain biking in stormy weather to diving in the deep blue. This camera doesn't just record your moments, it lets you live them without interruption, thanks to its compatibility with GoPro mounts and a waterproof case. It means attachments to bikes or gear in any weather condition is a breeze. The included remote control mounts easily, allowing you to shoot video seamlessly without pausing the action. The versatility of the Akaso EK7000 Pro is unmatched. Whether you're attaching it to a helmet or strapping it on with Velcro, it's designed to go wherever you go. Connectivity options like micro USB, micro HDMI ports, and Wi-Fi work in tandem with the Akaso app. This app transforms your phone into a remote control and editing suite, offers playback and sharing functions, and keeps your camera software up to date. Battery life won't be a concern either, with around 90 minutes on a single charge and an additional backup battery included. This ensures your exploration or bike ride remains uninterrupted. With 2 batteries and a USB charger, swapping on the go is effortless, making the Akaso EK7000 Pro a standout choice for capturing life's adventures without stretching your wallet. For those willing to invest a bit more for quality, we've handpicked the DJI Osmo Action 3 as the standout high-end budget action camera of 2024. Boasting a novel dual-screen setup, this camera enhances user control, making it effortless to frame your shots perfectly. The front-facing screen is especially handy for selfie aficionados. What sets the Osmo Action 3 apart is its electronic image stabilization system, which, when paired with cutting-edge algorithms, delivers exceptionally smooth footage. Both screens are not only touch-sensitive, but also feature a water-repellent coating, adding to the camera's versatility. Echoing the design ethos of its predecessors, the DJI Osmo Action 3 marries the original silhouette with the magnetic mounting system introduced in its sequel. This fusion yields a device with a familiar GoPro-esque form factor, but stands out with unique features like a quick-release magnetic mount and dual touchscreens. Coupled with its remarkable battery endurance and superior video stabilization, the Osmo Action 3 positions itself as a formidable contender in the action camera market. Enhancing video quality further, the HDR mode ensures that bright areas are crisply defined while dark zones retain a natural look. Custom mode is another highlight, allowing users to save their preferred settings for easy access. Additionally, a protective coating shields the camera from water and other fluids, enabling it to withstand submersion up to 11 meters deep. Designed with practicality in mind, the camera includes several buttons for straightforward operation, ensuring you can power up and select modes with ease. A dedicated quick switch button simplifies toggling between various shooting modes, making it an all-around powerhouse for capturing life's most dynamic moments. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Our next highlight is the Akaso Brave 7 LE, which earned its spot as the best second choice for budget action cameras in 2024. This camera combines affordability with impressive capabilities, offering clear 4K Ultra HD video capture. With a 20MP camera and up to 8K digital zoom, capturing breathtaking shots and footage is a breeze. The Akaso Brave 7 LE stands out for its electronic image stabilization, ensuring smooth video capture, and its remote control feature for convenient operation from a distance. Designed for the aquatic adventurer, it boasts a water resistance of up to 131 feet, making it ideal for underwater recording. The camera's durability is further enhanced by its IPX7 rating, ensuring it remains unaffected by rain, snow, or splashing water. Its affordability paired with high performance makes it an attractive option for sports enthusiasts. One of the admired features is the small front screen, favored by many for selfies and vlogging. The camera performs admirably in 4K, producing stabilized video footage supplemented by a suite of extra accessories. Viewing your captures is comfortable on its adequately sized rear screen, which provides real-time feedback and easy navigation through the camera's intuitive menu. The photo burst mode is particularly notable, capturing up to 30 images per second, perfect for seizing the moment in fast-paced scenarios. The package is comprehensive, including a dual battery charger via micro USB, allowing simultaneous charging. Remarkably, the batteries can be fully recharged in just 2 hours, and you can continue filming while they're powering up. Remote live viewing through your smartphone adds convenience, alongside built-in editing tools for on-the-go adjustments. The camera's GoPro-like rubber casing ensures a firm grip even in wet conditions, highlighting its robust and well-crafted design that promises reliability and quality for its users. Good one! Introducing the pinnacle of budget action cameras in 2024, the GoPro Hero 10 Black clinches the top spot with its outstanding versatility, swift performance, and lightweight design. Boasting the innovative GP2 processor, this camera sets new standards by capturing 23MP photos and 5.3K videos at unparalleled frame rates. Its superior low-light capabilities and the revolutionary HyperSmooth 4.0 video stabilization across all settings make it a formidable contender in the action camera space. The GoPro Hero 10 Black excels not only in performance but in connectivity too. It simplifies content management by auto-uploading footage and images to the cloud whenever it's charged. This feature underscores the seamless user experience GoPro has been refining over years, maintaining its reputation for pushing the envelope in sports camera technology. Central to the Hero 10 Black's prowess is the GP2 processor, enhancing the camera's ability to deliver crisp image quality and fluid high frame rate video. It supports recording at a staggering speed, 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 2.7K at 240 FPS. Thanks to this powerful processor, HyperSmooth 4.0 achieves even smoother, more stable video capture, setting a new benchmark for video stabilization. This GoPro model introduces a streamlined, user-friendly interface, ensuring quicker access and navigation. It shines in dimly lit environments, capturing high-res images beyond 23 MP. The GoPro Hero 10 Black further revolutionizes content management through its cloud connectivity, providing a hassle-free way to store and share your adventures. Among its array of features are the 1080p webcam mode, enhanced superphoto, and HDR for stunning detail in every shot, night video capabilities, and raw photo capture. Each function is thoughtfully designed to offer users a comprehensive toolkit for capturing life's most dynamic moments. You wanted the best, and you got it.